नहीं गाड़ी सुनो गलत चलो।
नुकसान तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है। पैसेंजर भी अभी पैसेंजर भी एक भी नहीं आ रहा है। एक साल हो गया तो दिक्कत हो रहा है ऐसा ही। उस समय तो ज़्यादा कमा सकता है, उधर से आदमी उधर सिलचार उससे कहाँ से जाता है, लेकिन अभी तक आदमी नहीं आ रहा है। ट्रेन भी बंद हो गया, अभी क्या करने, हम लोग भी दिक्कत में पड़ गया अभी। नहीं, हम लोग तो शांति चाहते ही है दोनों पार्टी का। तो अभी तो क्या ट्रेन दिक्कत हुई हुआ है, तो ट्रेन जब बंद हुआ था वही दिक्कत ज़्यादा हुआ है हम लोग का। पैसेंजर भी नहीं आ रहा है, आदमी भी नहीं आ रहा है, और में काम काज भी ज़्यादा नहीं मिल रहा है, रोजगार भी नहीं मिल रहा है। वही है, लिया है, लोन में लिया है, लेकिन अभी चलाने में भी कोई मुश्किल हो गया अभी। कमाई ऐसा ज़्यादा नहीं है पहले जैसा अभी, तो कमाई पूरा कमती हो गया।
And he was told me that I can go ahead.
Okay.
That is why I came to do.
Today by chopper.
Yeah.
As we knows that for railway it has a great potential when it comes to the whether it's a passenger train or goods train. Considering the same and considering the prevailing situation, last year itself, because of effort from our honorable chief minister sir and our chief secretary sir, goods trains operation has been resumed. For passenger train, of course, we are waiting for the some instruction, and the matter is being pursued from the higher authority also, so that it can be resumed. It is not like a fixed type, but at least every week there is a 1 or 2 goods trains are moving. Yes.
मोबाइल देता माने Yani ya. Yani kanka pero yani.
Unfortunately, due to the ongoing violence that is happening in Manipur right now, and due to maybe presumptions, maybe like due to the security issues, the train that has been going on, the passenger trains that we used to have has been stopped, has stopped its service, and the train that used to go to Khongsang, one of the most awaited train, that people were happy, Jan Shatabdi Express, and this has also been stopped. So it's been quite unfortunate. Myself, I was posted at Khongsang station as a station master, and due to the violence, I have also been utilized at other stations around Silchar. For the time being, I'm managing the station, and it's been quite unfortunate. And actually, I can't go into the details about because I don't have prior knowledge. But it's most probably because of the security issues and the violence that has happened, that is stopped services, and it's quite unfortunate for the people here, and for the people in Manipur, in my people. People used to travel low cost to meet the relatives and everything, and do business, small businesses. It has helped a lot in the economy of our state also. When the Khongsang Jan Shatabdi Express reached Manipur, it has helped the local economy also, in the sense that people used to book jeeps and everything to go to Imphal, to and fro, and that local people used to have some small markets and everything. So it has all affected people in many ways. Cargo train, till now cargo train is coming to Jiribam station as and when required, and some goods train has also reached Khongsang. I was like I think 4 or 5 times. I can't remember exactly the number, but it has started bringing goods to Khongsang also. And from Jiribam, it has been going on for so many years. So we still have goods train every now and then, fertilizers, food grains and everything. So there's not much issue for the goods train. And I want to emphasize that even if the passenger trains have stopped, we shouldn't stop the goods train, because it will affect our people a lot. So this is very important in my opinion. Yes, I think maybe around June, maybe. I can't exactly remember the date, but it was around June, after the violence started, and people, it has been almost 1 year that the passenger train has stopped. Now the passenger train that used to come to Jiribam, it has stopped at Sribar, the next station. I mean the previous station. And for Khongsang, there is no any passenger train or any, just a goods train once in a while. No, it is about my pay grade to comment on this, because I have no details or any idea about this. As long as my knowledge is that there is no clear stand on whether the passenger train will start, and if and when. So I hopefully the concerned authorities come to a understanding, or to start the passenger trains, so that the grief of our people can be uplifted.
other